Hey there, welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew, and I am here to help you grow your channel, build your brand, and educate you about the blind and visually impaired. In today's episode, we're going to cover how to send a broadcast with ConvertKit. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you can stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. I hope you find this episode helpful. Let's get to it.
Disappointed by reality, time to come back, start something new, build up yourself, it's all to you. Stay strong no matter what they say, you keep getting better every day. Hold your head up, never gonna stop, fears and proud, stand up and shout. Stand my ground.
As I said, welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew, and in today's episode, we're going to cover how to send a broadcast or how to send an email using ConvertKit. Share my screen here. Alright, so the first thing you come to is your subscribers list. So you want to click on the broadcast button, which is right here on the right next to subscribers, and that's what brings you to this page here. Now you got the little tutorial video from ConvertKit themselves, and then over on the right hand side you can see here the big red button that says new broadcast, and then you've got your list of your status of your documents, whether it's completed, queued, processing, or a draft. And then at the top, just underneath of the new broadcast, shows you how many subscribers or how many broadcasts you have. You want to click on new broadcast. And once you click on new broadcast, it brings you up to this here. And it tells you who it's coming from, who will receive it, and I'm going to leave it at all subscribers. And then underneath that is broadcast description. So you want to give it a name that you will use for yourself looking in ConvertKit. So I'm just going to put test email demo, and then enabled on public feeds, and then underneath that is a delete button if you want to get rid of it. On the lower right hand side here, you'll see the button that says next step. And then it pulls up the next page, and over on the left hand side you have the email subject. You can see it says new broadcast there in big bold letters at the top, and underneath that says email subject with new broadcast in small letters. And you want to replace the new broadcast with your title. I'm just going to use test demo. And then underneath that is the body of your message. And we'll just put in a quick little hello. Yeah. We'll say hello, how are you? My name is Andrew. I'm playing a live demo of ConvertKit podcasts. And you can take links for like YouTube and copy and paste them in here, and it will actually put the video right here in the broadcast as well. And then at the very bottom of your broadcast, it will have the usual, like in most cases, the address for where it's going, for the company, or where the company is located, update your profile, and unsubscribing. You know, the standard bottom line for an email. And then you have the next page and save on the lower right hand corner. And then it brings you to a preview of what your email is going to look like. As I said, I just did a quick little one for mine. I didn't want it to be too extravagant for this demo. Over on the right hand side, you can see that there is a send broadcast. A section above that says send immediately or schedule right here. It has one receipt, recipient, and then the status is draft because it is not yet sent. Now you can either hit send broadcast and then it will pull up a confirmation to send, or you can hit schedule like here, pick exactly the date that you want it to send, and we'll do today's date. And where's the time? There it is. At 11 a.m. At 11 a.m., which is in a few moments. And now that email is ready to get sent because you can hit the schedule. It will pull up the same kind of confirmation just as if you were going to send it immediately. And you hit send broadcast. And that email is now ready to go. In a matter of a few moments, that email will be sent. And then when you're done, you can see in the status bar here that it says completed 0, queued 1, which lets you know that it is scheduled, processing 0, drafts is 0. And then in a few moments, it will go to completed once the scheduled time hits to signify that it has been sent. And that concludes our tutorial for today. I hope you found some value in it, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments below, or if for any reason you don't feel like answering or asking questions in the comment section below, you can feel free to email me at consult.ablindguy@gmail.com, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you could, and you comment below in the comments, please put question in all caps. It makes it a lot easier for me to see that you do have a question and differentiate from regular conversation. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. That way you can stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more. And smash that like button because it will also help you stay updated, because YouTube is constantly changing the algorithm. If you do not engage with the videos or channels, you will not get updates. So I hope you have a wonderful day or evening, depending on where you are in the world. And until the next time, peace out.